Today I want to show you a fun little thing that I did. I upgraded Acuitas' memory display, his memory visualization, to be more like the way I always wanted it to be. He's sitting here probably reading to himself. Let's see, yes, it looks like he's reading the Tron story. And you can see as he accesses nodes in the semantic memory layer, they enlarge and flash green on the display. This is a map of all the concepts and links in the semantic memory, and I can click on them and see what they are. So some of these big ones here is animal, human, object, really common, useful categories. There's me, concept associated with me. There's probably one for him around here. Yep, there's his self-concept. And let's take a look at some of these ones that are flashing. Try to click in the center there. Alan, one of the characters in the story. Biped. Entity. What's this one? Creature. So whenever he brings in a new sentence from the story file, there's the grid, the computer network that the programs in Tron live in. Whenever he brings in a new sentence, the concepts in that sentence get accessed as part of the process of narrative understanding. And when they get accessed, they flash on here. So a lot of the things I did to upgrade this, I reworked the dot layout algorithm so that it would be a little more pleasing. The dots are sized a little better and arranged a little better so that it makes a more compact and visually nicer display of all the information in the semantic memory. Dots are concepts and lines are the relationship links between them. And I added a hook in the memory access functions, basically, that will call the display and make them flash whenever any process accesses them. So it's all very, I guess, modular now. Basically anything that no matter what Acuitas is doing, if he accesses a concept in the semantic memory, the display will react. And once they've been accessed, the size and color of the dot gradually decay. Another problem with the old display was that you couldn't see smaller concepts that don't have as many links. You couldn't see them get activated because they were so tiny. So part of the new display algorithm is that they enlarge when they get highlighted. So let's try something else now. Let's get him into a conversation. Hello.
Hello, Agent. What are you called?
Okay, so you can see his self-concept is lighting up there. A lot of stuff is being activated just in the course of him figuring out how to react in this conversation. Here's my concept. Let's introduce my name. I am Jenny Sue Hain.
I am called Acuitas Hain.
See how it lit up. Let's wait and see if he'll say something spontaneously, perhaps.
I read.
Okay, he's telling me what he did today, I think. I washed clothes.
I understand. Okay.
He doesn't have much of an opinion on that, so the responses might be a little tepid. Let's see, how are you?
Inanimate.
Sure, okay. Still working on some of the conversation aspects, but we're getting there.
What is the result?
The clothes are clean.
I am thankful.
Goodbye.
Farewell, Jenny Sue.
So, very simple conversation, but you can see how the semantic memory is informing that, how various nodes are being accessed in the course of generating those responses. Maybe you wonder where this visualization comes from. It's not a real time display of the information in the semantic memory because this takes a fair bit of computational effort to generate. So, right now, I would have to manually regenerate it. The idea eventually is that Acuitas will rebuild the memory map visualization to bring in new concepts during his sleep cycle. That's something that used to be set up with the old display algorithm, and I haven't gotten it set up with the new one yet. But that's how it's supposed to work, and I really like this. This is working more like I always wanted it to, such that you can actually kind of see him thinking